older one. It's right in the front line of animal removal. I want to show you something different. It'll look the same as some of my other videos, but it's different for me. Here we got a hole chewed in this house. What makes this hole different from all the other holes I showed you? Well, this homeowner was experiencing critter issues, and she knew she had some holes at the gable ends of the house, and so she hired someone to come out and fix those. And they fixed them. They did a nice job. The problem is they didn't see this hole. You might ask, well, why can't you see this hole? This hole is what, 16 inches long, pretty big, pretty obvious. The problem is when you're on the ground and you're looking up, the only thing you can see is the gutter. And you might be asking, well, why is this hole here? If you notice, this gutter is packed full of leaves, and the nails are pulling out all the way down that way and pulling out here. Now, we just have to be next to a tree, and so the pine needles have been falling in here. Now we got some other trees that have shed their leaves. Well, over time, the leaves build up and it starts holding water like this. And when it starts holding water, it holds weight. The weight pulls the nails out, and then the gutter starts to dip. So right here, the water is coming down. It's not going into the gutter. It's actually dripping around, and see the drip edge is here, but instead of dripping into the gutter like it's supposed to, it's dripping behind it, soaking down the wood back here, causing it to rot. So if I hadn't gone up on the ladder and looked, I would have never found this hole. We're going to set some traps, catch some squirrels, and then we'll patch this up. And we'll advise the homeowner to have the gutters replaced, because not only are they sagging and twisting, but the squirrels have been starting to gnaw through the support straps, and then in some places, like right here, they're actually chewing through the gutter. So it's even cracked here. So new spouting and keeping the leaves out will solve this problem after the squirrels are removed. Thank you.